Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation guys, and according to this question we have to solve which option is incorrect and which option is correct guys, right? So according to the questions we are having the equation guys. You can say that equation is x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, right? And it has two roots, alpha and beta. So according to this information we can write here the sum of roots is equal to coefficient of minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So you can write here the minus a guys. So this is the first equation, and the product of roots equal to, you can write here constant term by the coefficient of x square. So you can write here the b by 1. So you can write here that this is the second equation, alpha into beta is equal to 2, right? And if we are having the roots of the given equation, and what will be the general form of quadratic equation guys? So you can write here general form of the quadratic equation equal to x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of root, right? Sum of root into x plus product of roots, right? Are you getting my points guys? Is equal to 0. So this is the general form, and according to the first option, alpha square and beta square are the roots of this equation. So we have to check this option is correct or incorrect guys, right? So what is the roots? So we can suppose this is the third equation guys, right? And we need to to the sum of roots and the product of root to find the equation of the quadratic equation guys. So we need to find out, we should have what? Alpha sum of roots. So and the roots is alpha square and beta square. So first of all we find alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, right? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right guys? Are you getting my points? And alpha plus beta whole square equal to, you can say that by using the equation first and second, you can write here alpha plus beta from equation first equal to minus a, right? And minus a square is equal to, you can write here the a square and minus 2 alpha beta, and you can say 2 is equal to 2, right? And alpha beta from equation 2, you can write here the b, right? So sum of roots equal to, you can say that a square minus 2b guys, and the product of root is the alpha square beta square, right? And alpha square beta square, we can write here the alpha beta whole square, right? Are you getting my points guys? And alpha beta is equal to b from equation second, so you can write here the b square guys, right? So if we are having now sum of the roots and the product of roots, and after putting the value of sum of roots and the product of root in equation third, you will get the equation guys. So you can write here the x square minus sum of roots equal to a square minus 2b, a square minus 2b, and you can write here a square minus 2b and plus 2b into x plus b square is equal to 0. So you can say that this option is incorrect because it is not equal to, this equation is not equal to this equation. So you can say that alpha square plus beta square are not the root of that given equation, right? So now we are going to move and we are going to check option number B is correct or incorrect guys, right? And on the basis of option number B, alpha and beta are the roots of given equation guys. So we have to check this option is correct or incorrect, right? So first of all we have to find out the sum of roots. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to, and you can write here the alpha beta and alpha plus beta guys, right? and alpha plus beta is equal to, from equation 1 you can say that minus a, right, and from equation b you can write here alpha beta is equal to b, right, and the product of root equal to, you can write here the 1 by alpha into 1 by beta, right. So you can say that 1 by alpha and 1 by beta, you can write here the 1 by alpha beta, and alpha beta is equal to, guys, you can say that b, so you can say that 1 by b, right. So and put these values, sum of roots and the product of roots in equation third, you will get the value x square minus sum of roots equal to, you can say that minus a by b. So minus a by b into minus equal to, it will become plus signs, and a plus bx plus 1 by b, and after taking LCM you will get the equation bx square plus ax minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So option B is the correct. Now we are going to check the option C is correct or incorrect, guys, right. On the basis of option number C, alpha by beta and beta by alpha are the roots of given equation. So we have to check this option is correct or incorrect, guys, right. So first of all we have to find out the sum of the roots. So roots are alpha plus beta, and second one is the beta by alpha, right guys. So we can write here alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, right. Beta by alpha is equal to, you can write here the alpha square plus beta square, right, and divided by, you will get the value alpha beta, right, and alpha square plus beta square, you can write here alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and divided by 2 alpha beta, right. You can write here alpha beta, and alpha plus beta whole square equal to, you can write here the minus a and minus a square equal to, you can say that a square minus 2, and what will be the value of alpha beta from equation second? From equation second you can write here the value b, right, and alpha beta is equal to the value b also. So you can write here the a square minus 2b by b, right, and the product of the roots, because both roots are reciprocal to each other, so product of root is equal to 1, right. So alpha plus beta into beta plus alpha, so after multiplying you will get the value 1, because alpha and alpha cancel out, and beta and beta cancel out, and after putting all these values in the equation number third, guys. So equation number third we are going to put the value, and the equation x square minus sum of roots, and the sum of roots is a square minus 2b, and by b into x plus 1 is equal to 0, right, is equal to 0, guys, and after taking the LCM it will become bx square, and after taking the minus 1 common from this term, so you will get plus 2b minus a square into x plus b is equal to 0, right. So option C is also correct, guys. Now we are going to check the last option is correct or incorrect. Option number D is correct or incorrect, guys, right. And option number D, according to the option number D, guys, you can say that the alpha minus 1 and beta minus 1 are the roots of the given equation, guys. So we have to check this option is correct or incorrect, guys. So the roots are alpha minus 1 and the beta minus 1, so we have to find out the sum of the roots. So you can write here the alpha minus 1 plus beta minus 1, guys. So after adding you will get the value alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2, and what will be the value of alpha plus beta, guys? You can say that alpha plus beta is equal to minus a from equation first, right, from this equation, guys, and minus a minus 2, right, and after taking the common minus 1, and you will get the value a plus 2, right, it will becomes a plus 2, and the second we have to find out the product of root. So roots are alpha minus 1 and beta minus 1, so we will multiply now. So after multiplying you will get the value alpha beta minus beta and plus 1, right? And alpha beta is equal to, you can write here the value b, right? And minus alpha minus beta is equal to, you can write here alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. So minus alpha minus beta, when we send this sign into the LHS, so and we multiply the minus sign into the both side and it will become plus a, right? So minus alpha minus beta is equal to, you can write here directly simply plus a, guys, right? And plus 1, right? So directly you can put these values and you will get this equation, because x square minus sum of roots, so a plus 2 become the plus a plus 2 x a plus 2, and what is the value of c? Value of product of root equal to 1 plus a plus b. So option D is also correct, guys, right? So thank you, bye bye, best of luck, take care, guys.